Get beautiful data like this from APIs behind OAuth. First open up a new sheet, and then we're going to install Apipheny. If you've already done it, you can skip this step. Now we enable Apipheny on the sheet and click on the OAuth button. You'll see there's a few values in here that we're going to have to get, and we'll work through that now. Here we're using InnoReader as the example, but it's pretty much the same for any API. But we're going to go to the developer section, and we're going to create a new application for our sheet. Most creation screens are about the same. You can call your app type web if you like, it's not important. What is important is the client ID and the client secret. We'll use those later. Back on our connection tab, we'll give this connection a name, something like InnoReader, and we'll paste in our client ID and then our client secret. The rest of the fields come from the docs. Here's InnoReader OAuth 2 docs, but everyone has pretty similar stuff. What we're looking for here is going to be the place to get our authorization tokens and our token endpoint. Paste that into authorization URI, and we do the same thing for the token URI. Last step, we're going to tell it everything's okay by clicking on Authorize, Connect, log in perhaps, in this case we need to, and tell it yes, we would like to have this app work. Now let's see it in action. First, we're going to refresh our list of OAuth connections, and we'll see ours right there. Back at the docs, we'll find an interesting one. Feeds list looks pretty good. Let's try this. Paste it in, click run. Wait a little second, and there we go. Beautiful data every time.